Hi everyone, Nishka here from EurekaCrystalBeads.com with another fun unboxing video for you. Before I get started, quick reminder, go check out the rest of our channel, and if you like what you see, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you always know when we're posting new content. Today I am so excited to bring to you a brand new collection. And this time, again, we have enlisted the amazing design stylings of Stephanie from Bronzepony, who has come up with another beautiful palette and selection of beads that we just know you are going to love. So I cannot wait to show off this new collection and just show you guys what we've been working on. All right, let's take a look. Ooh, what have we got here? All right, so we have a beautiful image of Stonehenge with some beautiful sparkling emerald grass and this gorgeous sunrise or sunset sky. Got some purples in here, a little streak of orange, and of course the stones, moss covered, mysterious, and beautiful. Ooh, this is like hefty. You can like feel the weight of it. Wow. Okay, so we've got our beautiful image. Let's put it here. See most of it. And our really nice, beautiful little paragraph that gets you in the mood. Gray, green, mossy stones, soft grass. Just absolutely magical. So, as always, we have our list. Stonehenge Ancient Ruins. So nice. Okay. So our complete list of products is here. As always, everything is numbered and we have the SKUs here for the specific colors so that you can type this right into EurekaCrystalBeads.com and have your item pop right up, the exact one you have. Here it tells you how many of the items are going to be in your collection. So you would get 2 of these briolets and for many of the stones, and also these like spacers, you get like 15. So, all right, so let's put this aside and dig into the collection. So much good stuff in here. All right, so I'm gonna get organized. I'm gonna get all this stuff out of the way and we're gonna go through it one by one, starting with our seed beads. All right, so you have the beautiful palette here, and these are the seed beads that are in the collection. You have 7 tubes of them. There is Toho and Miyuki, and you can tell the difference in how we offer them. The Toho tubes are 2.5 inch, and they are always full. They're sold by the tube, so they should always be full. And the Miyuki tubes are sold by weight, so they aren't always going to be full. You'll have to weigh them to make sure that it's right. So it's normal for the tubes not to be completely full. So we have a size 8 rounds in the Toho. We have a size 11 rounds in the Toho, as well as size 11 treasures. So those, as you know, are the Toho version of Delicas. So they're cylindrical beads. you also are getting these beautiful squares. And I just love this irisy color. It's so gorgeous. And it's got this metallic flair to it. It's just, I really, really love it. It's so beautiful. And so that's it for the Tohos. And then for the Miyuki, you have this really cute palette all on its own here. We have all three of them are rounds, and two of them are size 11, and one of them is size 15, really, really tiny ones. And again, gorgeous colors here. So it's just a beautiful, beautiful selection here. Okay, next is our Czech Glass. For the first two in our Czech Glass selection, we have beautiful fire polished beads, 2 strands of size 3 millimeter, and you have 50 beads on a strand. And you have this gorgeous mossy green along with this beautiful gold. Really great colors for March, right? Just absolutely lovely. And the last part of our Czech Glass selection is some nib bit beads in this really gorgeous stone mossy color. I mean, I have to show this off. It literally looks just like the Stonehenge stones. This Picasso is just stunning. I love this finish. Just like this moss-covered stones right there. Beautiful. We are also including, by special request of Stephanie, a pair of gorgeous, stunning crystal briolettes, specifically designed and exclusive to Eureka for our line of crystal. These are the Elite Eureka Crystal Briolettes, and they are just stunning. Look at these facets. We love these so much, and they are precision cut and made in Austria. So remember, if you want really high quality, beautiful crystal that you cannot get anywhere else, you need to go with Eureka's Elite Eureka Crystals. All right, next up, another Eureka exclusive, Krakovski Crystal Stones. So we have 2 sizes of cushion cuts here, including this gigantic cushion cut in this beautiful deep tanzanite color, along with 2 smaller ones. So let your imagination go wild. What are you going to do with these beautiful stones? We also have some rivolis here in this beautiful green blue color that's like color changing. Looking at it from different angles, you get different colors popping up. And then, of course, we have a bunch of little chatons in this really nice sky blue. It's almost matching my nails here. A really beautiful kind of opal color. And as you know, our Krakovski opals, the clarity can vary a bit to give it a more natural, variegated look, kind of like stone, rather than machine crystal. And just look how pretty they all are, and look at all this beautiful backing. You won't find any flaws here. Absolutely beautiful crystal stones for you to use as you see fit in all of your projects. Right, and that's not all for the Krakovski. We are also including 2 strands of Krakovski crystal pearls. One is in a beautiful 3 millimeter and the other one in 6. And look how long these strands are. I can't even keep them together in my hand here. You're gonna get a lot. There's going to be 135 pearls on the 3 millimeter strand, and there is 65 pearls on the 6 millimeter strand. And just look how pretty they are. They have this beautiful clicking sound when you are holding them. and absolutely beautiful man-made crystal pearls. So they have a great weight to them, and you're really going to enjoy working with these. I know Stephanie does. That's why she asked us to include 2 strands in this collection. Okay, so in continuing with crystal, we have our Preciosa crystal category next, and we have some beautiful frosted AB bicones, as well as a very large, extra large pack of round crystals. So take a look at these beautiful crystal beads with all their gorgeous facets. And this is a special extra large pack specifically for this collection. Again, as requested by Stephanie, I think she has a plan for a project. So stay tuned because I'm sure you're going to need just this amount for whatever she's got cooking. So we have 2 gorgeous purple tones. And again, in this sort of tanzanite family that's pulling from this beautiful, I'm going to say sunrise sky. So we're just going to pop these here and here. And there's more. Next, we have some beautiful Chinese crystal. Again, super long strands. And we've got these 2 beautiful bluish purple colors, almost like a matte periwinkle here. And we have this, again, air blue opal sort of color that also has this very sparkly AB finish on it. And these are very pretty, small 3 by 2 millimeter, and you get approximately 180 pieces per strand. So these are really fun to work with, great quality, very affordable, and they come in so many beautiful colors. You can't go wrong with Chinese crystal. And finally, we have our beautiful findings. Again, as with everything in this collection, handpicked by Stephanie so that you can use these for projects that she may have planned. We have a toggle clasp, ear wires, a beautiful nun design pendant, and I just really like this one. It's got this sort of natural grass kind of impression on it, and some tiara cast little daisy spacers. Finally, the last piece in the collection is some beautiful dead soft craft wire. And again, this is a big little spool, so you're going to get a whole lot of this. It's 22 gauge, and you can look forward to having this in your collection as well and using it for projects that go beyond things in this collection. You're going to get a lot out of this spool. So, that does it for our collection here. I really hope that you loved it so far, and I cannot wait to see not only the beautiful things that Stephanie's got in store, so make sure you check out her channel and subscribe so you always know when she's got new stuff coming. And come on back to us for our next tutorial, and we'll be showing you lots of fun new things and, of course, upcoming collections, which we do almost every month. Make sure you're following our channels and subscribe to our newsletter so that you always know when something new is coming and you're ready for it. So again, thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!